What if the most important worker on the farm never sleeps, never eats, never even looks at the field? The revolution is already here. And its engines aren't just machines. They're a new kind of organism. In agriculture, the battle for harvest doesn't begin with sowing, but with soil preparation. Deep soil compaction is a hidden and dangerous enemy that suffocates roots, disrupts water exchange, and steals your profit. To fight this enemy, you need powerful and precise weaponry. And it has been created by Dellmen. The HDSR is the solution for the most challenging applications, delivering reduced and aggressive soil loosening to a record-breaking depth of up to 24 inches. The high ground clearance of 44 inches ensures a smooth ride even over large clumps of earth and rocks, and makes tipping easier and safer. The HDSR is available in two versions, with large wings, up to 15 tines, and with independent wings, up to 13 tines, with reach sizes from 22 to 27.5 feet. The manufacturer offers a flexible approach to suit your needs. 3 types of release levers: threaded bolt, spring-loaded auto-release, or hydraulic, various shanks, from minimally disruptive to aggressive parabolic tips, and a wide selection of replaceable tips. The automatic control system eliminates the need for manual drawbar adjustments. Simply set the desired position and begin working. Precise control is achieved by simply adding shims to the support wheel cylinders, minimizing wear. Each machine is equipped with a plow shoe position sensor, allowing for precise soil loosening for complete and highly efficient removal. But the main feature is the unique chisel tip loosening tines. They don't simply cut the soil, but gently lift and break up the compacted layer, creating ideal cracks for air and water penetration and root development. At the same time, the top, fertile soil layer is virtually undisturbed, preserving its structure. Imagine a combine that thinks. A machine that senses the crop, reads the field like an open book, and makes decisions for you to extract the maximum from every hectare, not just tons, but quality grain. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality built upon one seemingly simple idea: the single axial flow rotor. In a world where more often means better, more power, more parts, more complexity, Casey went against the grain. They didn't complicate, they made it brilliantly simple. And this simplicity proved more powerful than any multi-rotor system. What if the biggest threat to your harvest isn't the weather or the field, but the combine itself? Overly aggressive threshing shatters grain. Insufficient threshing leaves it in the head. Fluctuations in moisture, stalk density, night harvesting, thousands of variables that can overwhelm an operator. The key question: can you trust a machine to more delicately feel this fine line between under-threshing and over-threshing? The answer is the AFS Harvest Command system. Imagine an autopilot, but not for steering straight, for the very heart of harvesting. It doesn't just twist settings. It analyzes the material flow in real time, assesses the percentage of splits and impurities through its digital pupil, the grain quality camera, and subtly adjusts dozens of parameters without you noticing. It knows what you can't see: how the straw changed at the far end of the field where it was a bit damper. The machine becomes your second self, an experienced virtuoso combine operator residing inside its processor. The single rotor secret? Centrifugal force, not impact. Grain glides off, gently sifted like panning for gold. This delivers the legendary axial flow result: more whole, premium grain in your tank. And that's just the beginning. You know what's most amazing? All this intellectual power, this brain of Harvest Command, learns from you. The longer you work, the more precisely it adapts to your specific fields, your crops, your speed and quality requirements. The combine becomes an extension of your farm, its digital fingerprint. What if the most important update of the 2025 season isn't hidden in a seed catalog, but in the cab of a harvesting machine? Those who have followed the evolution of beet harvesting technology know the legendary Q Series from Vervaet has long set the highest standard. But it seems the Dutch engineers decided not just to raise it, but to build a completely new one. Insiders and ag experts have been whispering about a major update. Imagine, you step into the cab, but it's not yours. Or rather, it is yours now, but from another, more technological world. This is the Claas X11 cab, the very one that was previously a privilege only for flagship grain harvesting giants like the Lexion and Tryon. More space, total silence, and the feeling that you're not just operating a harvester, but the central processor of a smart field. All thanks to full digitalization via CAN bus. What does this tell us? That Vervaet invests as much in the operator as in the mechanics. You are not a driver, you are a pilot of agri-technology. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. What lies beneath the new Vervaet family face? Third generation intelligence. The now standard Gen 3 front end isn't just trim. It's a statement: the machine must perfectly adapt to your field, not the other way around. 4 defoliator options and a choice of roller assemblies are the keys to maximum intake cleanliness, tailored by you to your specific conditions. The key to success is precision, not power. The new header unit minimizes losses, increasing crop purity and profitability. Hydraulics respond instantly. Enhanced systems react without delay, saving precious hours during peak season. You gain total control. 360 degrees cameras and smart mirrors eliminate blind spots, making the machine an extension of yourself. Intelligence in every detail. A deep software update acts as the nervous system, ensuring seamless operation, reliability, and intuitive control. The Q Series has always won with intelligence, not brute force. This update is not just an upgrade. It is a strategic partner for the future, crafted by a family company with over half a century of heritage. The Chinese company Country Garden has unveiled what the entire agricultural world has been waiting for: the world's first powerful 300 horsepower driverless combine harvester. This isn't just another prototype, it's a fully fledged agricultural robot that independently decides how best to thresh, clean, and unload grain. Its AI learns on the fly, and its productivity is record-breaking, up to 200 hectares of rice in 10 hours. But the key is the system. Imagine, a drone monitors the field from the sky, ghost tractors work on the ground with pinpoint accuracy of 2.5 centimeters, and a single digital intelligence controls this entire swarm from a control center. The cloud platform monitors the crop, soil, diseases, and weather in real time and assigns tasks to the machines. Construction giant Country Garden is creating a ghost farm, and why it could spell the end of traditional farming. Is agriculture ready for driverless farms? The future is already in the fields. See how it works, and share your impressions. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end about the revolution in agriculture, a selection of the most successful agricultural machines. What do you like most about these agricultural machines? If someone drove and operated such machines in agriculture, share your experience. It is important to know about such revolutionary machines. Like, subscribe to the Craft channel and share the video with your friends. See you soon.